On today's body cam, we're checking out most embarrassing arrests captured on body cam.
Okay. Could you tell me your name, ma'am?
ShyGotEm, S-H-E-K-Y-A.
Don't close the door.
Don't close the door.
Don't close the door.
Okay.
You hit me. That's battery to a peace officer. Step out.
I'm not.
Okay.
Just grab your purse. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle, ma'am. I'm not going to ask you again.
Okay.
Step out.
Okay.
Step out of the car. I need you to relax.
I'm
Okay?
just putting on my pants.
I
I want y'all to
understand.
know that.
Listen. I'm just going to run this. Okay? We've gotten a
She got that BBL faja.
lot of complaints from this store about thefts. Okay? The vehicle matches the description of the vehicle that's been constantly robbing this place. Okay?
Robbing?
Yes, ma'am. Listen.
That's
There's a
fine.
couple things we have to verify first. You understand?
That's
All right?
No.
You got any other kind of identification on you by chance? No, this is it? Because you understand this is an identification card, right? Saying a driver's license.
It's identification card. Am I able to open the door?
10, so give us 20.
Am I
It's
able
all about just...
so I can get my other ID?
Ma'am, we have to kind of ask you these questions first, okay?
Okay.
Because there's a lot of implications to what can't.
You can't sit down then, right?
Huh?
So you had the procedure done? Can you sit down?
Yeah, I could sit down, but like on like some salt.
I just didn't know if you can, that's why.
Huh?
I didn't know if you can because you told me the procedure got done.
Yeah, but like how I sit is. I don't want to show you.
I'm gonna call rescue. That way they can... I don't want...
I'm sorry.
You're fine?
I'm saying to him, he looking like.
Oh, sorry.
I'm sorry.
You're detained at this moment. I want you to understand that.
You already told me that. I was fully aware of that.
Well, like handcuffed detained.
Oh, okay.
All right, go ahead and stand up.
Stand up.
Okay, I'm about
I'm not going to ask again.
Yeah, come on.
Why you
Stand
did
up.
Wait, I'm gonna call rescue. They're gonna figure that out. We're gonna work with you on that. Why don't you stand up?
Okay. You see how it's coming out?
Okay, stand up. And
Stand
I'll
up,
get rescue.
ma'am.
Over.
I'm not going to ask again.
Okay.
Turn around.
Okay.
Okay. Can I put this back?
Face him. Face him.
Okay.
Turn around right now.
Face me.
I'm facing you.
Back a little bit so I can shut the door.
No, you're not doing this. You're not doing this. Mike, grab her. No.
Come on.
This is a bunch of bull. This is a bunch of BS, man. See, this is why you can't give these people anything. You know what I'm saying? You give them an inch, they'll take a mile, right? They were trying to work with her, let her do what she got to do. And now when it's time to cuff up, now you want to fake like you fell. Come on, man. See, that's probably how you got that BBL, man. Probably got you another fake lawsuit or something like that, man. Nasty work.
You gotta pull him.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Some unknown medical reason.
Hey. That's
Hey,
you cannot do
listen.
that.
Hey,
Get up.
you've been cool with me, right?
Yes.
Then continue that. Turn
Okay.
over.
Okay.
Turn over.
I'm finna get up.
This reminds me of when the girl took a crap on the officer a couple of videos back. If you ain't see that, check that one out, whatever. But she was, you know, her bottom was out and the cop dragged her, right? But this time it was like from the front. So the kitty cat was dragging across the concrete. Now this is in reverse, right? This is in reverse. Now her butt is out. So you got the BBL just dragging across the concrete, man. See, she wanted to play dead, but now that BBL started dragging. Now that's against the law. I bet.
Turn over.
Can you help me up?
Turn over.
Okay, can you help
Listen,
me
I'm
up?
telling you, it's going to hurt a lot more if you turn over. It's
Yeah,
going to be a lot easier for you if you just sit up. I'll have you...
Can I get up? Can you pull
Okay, hold on. Wait till.
me up and
Yeah,
push
he's
me
gonna
up?
put that up. All right, he's gonna hook your other one.
What are you doing?
Hey,
Give me your hand.
Don't a woman supposed to be doing
No.
this?
That's not how this works.
Nope, you're getting. Hey, don't.
Do not resist.
Do not resist right
Do
now.
not resist
You've been cool with
arrest.
me, right?
Yes, but I don't.
Do not resist
Can you
arrest.
put the cuffs on me?
I'm trying to.
Please,
I'm trying
can
to.
you come and put the cuffs
Yes,
on me?
He's not going to do that.
Hey,
That's not how this works.
I'm trying to. You're not letting me give you your hand. You're not letting me get your hand.
72, if we can get another unit here, please.
Let go of your hand. I'm trying to cuff you like you said, right? You want me to cuff you, right?
Yes, I don't want him touching me. And I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding.
Grab that hand, man. Just grab that hand.
We're not going to be. We have to move her out of this crevice.
Unbelievable.
It's not gonna,
okay, can I get up?
Get up.
Okay, listen, I'm finna get up. You ain't gotta pull me.
helping you.
Okay, listen. Can I grab onto your
Grab
vest?
onto me. It's fine.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
Now turn over.
No.
Face the vehicle.
Turn over.
Face the vehicle.
There you go. There you go.
Now this is all messed up.
Make this easy on you. If you don't be quiet, they're going to make it hard. Okay? Okay. Okay.
Wait, let me fix it. Sir.
Stop!
I got my shit's bleeding. What the f am I
Stop
doing?
resisting!
Stop.
Fuck.
Do not. Stop!
Hey, you don't need your hand down there. Let me just put your pants.
Thank you, man.
Just listen to the men.
Don't move because it's going to lock and it's going to be tightened, okay? Don't move.
Okay, so just be careful because you got the right underpants on to help you.
Ow, 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 ow.
I'm not even moving
No,
my hand.
it's on my wrist right here. This. Can you put it down, son, please?
Yeah. We're stepping them up.
Okay.
We're going to go down.
I can't listen. That's right there. Why you being so? Why you acting like that? I didn't do shit to you. You don't even know me.
Hey, I don't have to know you.
Okay, don't act like that to me.
Hey, if you got
I
to
didn't do it to you.
Hey, you got to lay down. Go ahead. I don't want to.
Where's the ambulance at?
We called them already. They weren't anywhere to get here.
The ambulance.
There they are. Hear 'em?
Thank you. I can't sit on my butt.
I'm saying if you got to lay back,
I can't.
go ahead and do that.
I cannot sit
But
now.
you drove here. You sat down.
Yes, not on nothing hard. It's hard as hell. That's stove.
Okay.
Do you got like something I can sit on? I can sit on the edge like this, please. I can't. Let it go, please.
We don't got anything soft like that.
I've been corrupting.
Here, I'll go get them.
Did you find me?
Yeah.
She is legit Build-A-Bear. Like, honestly. Like, legit, man. BBL, up close when they turned around when she was on the ground, you can see that she has veneers. Chest look and hands too, you know what I'm saying? But hey, I don't know, but it do sit, it sit up, you know what I'm saying? But this is legit Build-A-Bear, man. And then they dragged the BBL across the concrete. Yo, you can't be that worried about your surgery because you fight in the offices. Movements like that, fighting and hard pressure and all these other things, that could mess up your results. But she don't care.
You calling the state's attorney?
Yeah. Are you aware that you have a warrant out of Palatine
For what?
for theft?
Palatine?
Yeah. Now, what is this about regular juvenile murderer / violent offender against youth?
When I was little, I
Go ahead.
doing a lot of fighting, so they did that.
Okay. All right. No worries. No worries. But, Khadijah, moving forward, I need you to be honest with me, okay?
She knows she
Now
had
it's
that
involving
warrant.
a lot more than just me, okay? Now it's involving a lot more than just the sheriff's office.
What is involving?
I'm just saying, because now you got a warrant and all these other things, so...
A warrant out of Palatine?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do I have a warrant?
That's what I'm trying to find out.
I never been arrested in Palatine. She's already been arrested on
Who is your sister?
the Shakia.
Shakia. So Shakia is your sister.
Yes.
Can you tell me your name, ma'am?
Shakia. That's Hekya. That's why I'm telling you, she's already been arrested on them charges that y'all trying to say that I was in them stores.
You're done. You just gave a false name. You're cooked.
All right.
I don't even know. How do I have a warrant if I never been arrested? That don't even make sense.
What do you mean?
Like, can y'all issue people warrants without them ever being arrested?
I mean, it's probably because they gave you a court date and you didn't go.
I never been arrested or talked to nobody in Palatine ever. This is the truth. Why is my juvenile popping up?
Sorry?
Why my juvenile stuff popping up?
Because everything's going to show up, ma'am, unfortunately.
I thought that was supposed to be sealed. It's a juvenile.
Let's say you've had a bunch of aliases, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Did you ever go by Octavia?
Mm-hmm.
You did?
Yep.
And you went by Kajia as well?
Khadijah. That's how you pronounce my name, Khadijah.
Oh, they didn't put a D in this other one. That's why.
How do I have a warrant if I never been fingerprinted for a warrant? I never been taken to jail.
You gave me your credentials, and that's what came up. It's from Palatine, so.
If somebody get arrested in Cook County,
Yeah.
say for like a retail theft or something,
Sure.
they go to Cook County jail and stuff. But
Yes, because you gotta understand, like, that's the sheriff's office, right? Like, the jails are done by the sheriff's office.
I'm not for sure.
So, yeah, it would be Cook County.
Blue lights flashing, we watching the stops, can't blink an eye when the standard drop. Hit the subscribe, let the 808 slide. Craziest footage on a midnight ride.